Hello everyone. In this session, I'll be taking some illustrations on allied angles. Whatever formula we have done in our last session, based on that, we will be taking some illustrations here. Now, my first question is, the angles of a septagon are theta 1 to theta 7, but in the order theta 1 less than theta 2 less than theta 3 and so on up to less than theta 7. And we have to find value of the expression, which is again given in terms of tan of sum of the angles. And 4 options are given and we have to mark the correct option. Now, when you see the word septagon, you will have to recall some results which are related to n-gon. N-gon means a polygon having n sides. So this is septagon, means it has 7 sides in it. And for any n-gon, we know that sum of the interior angles is n minus 2 into pi. So theta 1 plus theta 2 plus theta 3 up to theta 7. If you take this sum, it would be 7 minus 2 into pi means 5 pi. So sum of all the angles is 5 pi. This is what I know. Now I try to write tan of theta 1 plus theta 2 plus theta 3 as tan of 5 pi minus and the sum of remaining angles, that is theta 4 plus theta 5 plus theta 6 plus theta 7. Now I have to simplify this. Mind you please, tan function is a periodic function and it has period n pi. So 5 pi is actually period of that function. So basically this would be tan of minus times sum of those theta 4 to theta 7. And that can be written as minus of tan of theta 4 plus theta 5 plus theta 6 plus theta 7. Why do I say so? Because tan minus theta is minus tan theta. So I can write that. Now similarly, I write for tan of theta 5 plus theta 6 plus theta 7 also. Now what would be the idea? Idea would be same, that I will be writing this as tan of 5 pi minus theta 1 plus theta 2 plus theta 3 plus theta 4. Same logic again, tan is a periodic function. It would be written as tan of minus theta 1 plus theta 2 plus theta 3 plus theta 4. Tan of minus theta is minus tan theta. So this becomes minus of tan theta 1 plus theta 2 plus theta 3 plus theta 4. Replace tan of theta 1 plus theta 2 plus theta 3 and tan of theta 5 plus theta 6 plus theta 7 in the given expression and get the required expression as minus of tan theta 4 plus theta 5 plus theta 6 plus theta 7 upon tan theta 4 plus theta 5 plus theta 6 plus theta 7 plus tan theta 1 plus theta 2 plus theta 3 plus theta 4 upon minus times tan theta 1 plus theta 2 plus theta 3 plus theta 4, which would lead to minus 1 and it is nothing but minus 2. So correct answer is minus 2. Now this formula was regarding tan of pi plus theta or tan of 2 pi plus theta kind of. So we have used the corresponding formula. Let us move to the second one. And the second one is that we have to evaluate the expression and we have been given 4 options. Now those quantities written inside bracket, they are of the form 3 pi by 2 minus alpha, 3 pi plus alpha, pi by 2 plus alpha and 5 pi minus alpha. This reminds me that we will have to use the allied angle formula and proceed accordingly. So I write that expression and that 3 pi by 2 minus alpha, the first bracket in the first term, that will have to be written as, there are various options. You write it as 2 pi minus pi by 2 for 3 pi by 2, or you write it as pi plus pi by 2. The way you want, you can write 3 pi plus alpha. I may write as 2 pi plus pi plus alpha, or I may write it as pi plus 2 pi plus alpha. Sign of pi by 2 plus alpha formula is known to you. So in third term, there is not much to be explained. And last term has 5 pi minus alpha. That can be written as 4 pi plus pi minus alpha. And realize this, that 4 pi comes in the sine term. So it has actually no role to play, as sine is a periodic function. So I rewrite this expression as using sine 3 pi by 2 minus alpha as minus times sine pi by 2 minus alpha. Express that and the given expression becomes 3 times minus cos alpha whole raised to 4 plus minus sine alpha whole raised to 4 minus 2 times cos 6 alpha plus sine 6 alpha. And now you have to simplify this. Normal algebra, only thing is those algebraic terms have become now trigonometric terms. And I keep simplifying it and finally I will get it as 3 minus 2 and answer is 1. So the correct option is B. Now this particular question actually used your many formulae like pi plus alpha formula or pi minus alpha or pi by 2 minus alpha. I mean, variety, whatever we have done in our allied angle formulae, all were used here, almost, I would say. So one example is good enough to understand that how do we apply those formulae. Now, let us move to next one. And the next one is that alpha plus beta is given to be pi by 2. Beta plus gamma is given to be alpha. And we have to write tan alpha. And look at those four options. They all are in terms of tan beta and tan gamma. Now, don't you think that if beta plus gamma equal to alpha is given to me, then I must take tan on both sides. And I will get tan alpha equal to tan beta plus gamma. I mean, that should be my first step. So that automatically I will be getting tan alpha in terms of tan beta and tan gamma. Mind you, please, anywhere, if you are getting alpha and beta terms together, you will have to use that condition given, which is alpha plus beta equal to pi by 2. I mean, this is the flow of thoughts which comes to my mind. Now, alpha plus beta equal to pi by 2. What does that lead to? That tells me tan beta equal to cot alpha. You can take tan on both sides, or you can write alpha equal to pi by 2 minus beta, or you can write beta equal to pi by 2 minus alpha. The way you wish, you can write. And that would lead to, if you are writing it as tan pi by 2 minus alpha equal to tan beta, and then tan pi by 2 minus alpha will be replaced by cot alpha. I hope you have understood that how do I write tan beta equal to cot alpha. Mind you, please, whenever you have alpha plus beta equal to pi by 2, then tan alpha equal to cot beta, tan beta equal to cot alpha. Or you can write similar formulae for sine and cosine also. And if you wish, you can remember them. Because this type of alpha plus beta equal to pi by 2 kind of expression, you will be getting many times. So it's better that tan alpha equal to cot beta, without any effort, you should be able to write. Now, as I said before, I start with beta plus gamma equal to alpha, and then I'll be taking tan on both sides. I apply formula for tan beta plus gamma, tan A plus B formula. And it would be tan beta plus tan gamma upon 1 minus tan beta tan gamma, and that is nothing but tan alpha. Now, if you want that tan beta, you can replace by cot alpha. I have written there as cot alpha, but those who want to write tan beta, they can continue with tan beta also. And then they may cross multiply also, and then they will understand that I arrive at tan alpha minus tan gamma equal to tan beta plus tan gamma. Now we want answer for tan alpha. So what you will do? Obviously that minus tan gamma will have to be written on the other side with plus sign. And hence tan alpha I get as tan beta plus 2 tan gamma. And the correct option is C. Now this particular question actually has told us two things. One, like formula of tan A plus B, etc. And second, that if you have alpha plus beta equal to pi by 2, then you can take tan alpha equal to cot beta or cot alpha equal to tan beta. Similarly, you can write for sine and cosine also. I mean, idea is that you should know such tricks and apply in the questions. So I think for this session, 3 different problems we have taken. Maybe in future, again, I come with more and more problems. Till then, please keep revising. Stay tuned. Thank you.